guys, welcome back to my channel Beyond Beauty. My name is Spini and in today's video I'll be sharing my favorite accessory, that is my sunglasses collection. Honestly guys, I do not step out of my house without wearing these and I so much love sunglasses. So my sunglasses are majorly from H&M and Forever 21. I do not prefer to buy it online because I feel my face is quite small, chota hai face, and I prefer to buy it from the store. Try it and then buy it. Although I love the collection that Shein has of sunglasses and I so much want to buy it from Shein too, and I will buy it one fine day. So without talking much, let's check out my sunglasses collection.
I'll start with my favorite sunglasses, these yellow aviators from H&M. This one has my heart. I make sure to carry it every time when I go for a beach vacation, and I feel aviators can never go out of trend. Then there is one more in yellow. These were really in trend and I remember many bloggers posting pictures on Instagram wearing these sunglasses. The yellow frame looks really chic and I have so many pictures wearing these. Check it out on Instagram. I wanted something in red, but this was a bad choice picked up from H&M and cat eye does not suits my face at all. I feel ये जो मेले में बच्चों के चश्मे मिलते हैं वैसा लगता है and I no longer wear it. Tell me if I'm right. Then I have these tortoise shell acrylic frame sunglasses. This one look great with an all white outfit. This one is again from H&M and the only drawback of buying from H&M and Forever 21 is that they don't give cases. So I hope they start doing it soon. Big frame sunglasses are so much trending and these square sunglasses are loved. They go with any outfit and looks so smart. They are again from H&M and the one that are trending are really big frame sunglasses, but I had to get one that is decent enough for my face. Rose gold was so much in trend and मैंने तभी ये Aldo से लिया था for $14.99. Aldo अब मुझे बहुत ही jazzy and gentleman लगता है. I remember buying 2 more sunglasses from Aldo जो मैंने घुमा दिया है while shopping in Sarojini Nagar. Now I have my one more favorite and I feel round frame goes really well with my face. I love this pink metallic on its top and बहुत ही classy लगता है. I have these sunglasses from last 5 years now. My heart literally cries out जब मेरे sunglasses टूट जाते हैं. I wear these very carefully now because इस पे एक scratch आ गया है. These are from Forever 21 and sunglasses at Forever 21 have comparatively higher prices than H&M. Next I have one from the collaboration with John Jacobs. Again it's small cat eye so I don't wear it often, but I love the pink tint in the sunglasses. By the way, I would love to know it from you guys whether cat eye sunglasses suits my face or not. This one is again from the collaboration with John Jacobs and round frames are really my style. These fit me so well and they look so gorgeous. I so much love these John Jacobs sunglasses. Then I have these acrylic frame sunglasses from Lenskart. I really loved them at the store, but जब मैं इनको घर लाई और मैंने try किया तो मुझे eyewear वाली feeling ज़्यादा दे रहा था, so I do not wear it that often. I wanted something in blue and this one I got from Thailand, which I have never worn because it's damn loose. मतलब मुझे store पे पता था कि it is loose, but I thought I will wear it, but I couldn't because it's so loose कि मैं पहनती हूँ तो ये nose पे आ जाता है. Tell me if you guys are with me, you buy something and then don't use it. I guess my husband is really good at buying sunglasses. He got these from Thailand for me and I so much loved these sunglasses. The pink glasses and golden frame goes really well, although I'm not sure about the pricing. Okay, he knew these square frame sunglasses were trending, so he got this one too from Thailand and I so much loved it. ये बहुत ही trendy, chic and cute लगता है. Again, I'm not sure about the price and trust me guys, I see everything red after wearing these. And then I have Ray-Ban aviators. By the way, I have stolen it from my husband. He hardly wears sunglasses and these look so stunning. तो I thought ये मुझे ले लेना चाहिए. Aviators I guess सबके फेस पे अच्छे लगते हैं and they look so classy. Lastly, I have these two sunglasses from Goa just for ₹100 each and while filming this video, मुझे पता चला है blue sunglasses ख़राब हो गए हैं जो मैं अब नहीं पहन सकती हूँ. So guys, aviators तो होने ही चाहिए if you are a sunglasses lover and मैंने जनपद and सरोजनी नगर से भी बहुत sunglasses लिए हैं for just ₹50 and 100 but from last few years I have been buying it from H&M and Forever 21. So I hope you loved my sunglasses collection. Let me know which one was your favorite. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and see you guys in my next video.